Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nest Doorbell, quick guide step by step clearly. Start by unpacking your Nest Doorbell from its original packaging. Ensure you have everything included, such as the doorbell unit and necessary tools. Download the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. Tap the plus sign in the top left corner to add a new device. Select Setup Device and then choose New Devices. Choose your home if prompted, or set one up if you haven't already. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your phone to your Wi-Fi network. Next, scan the QR code on the Nest Doorbell or enter the setup code manually. Once connected, choose a location for your doorbell from the options provided. If you're replacing an old doorbell, ensure the power is turned off at the circuit breaker first. If you're installing the doorbell for the first time, attach the mounting bracket to the wall. Use the included screws to secure the bracket. For battery-powered models, insert the battery according to the manual. After securing the mounting bracket, attach the Nest Doorbell to it until it clicks into place. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker if needed. Open the Google Home app again to confirm your device is online. Customize your doorbell settings as desired in the app. Test your doorbell by pressing it and checking notifications on your phone. Finally, ensure your camera angle and motion detection settings are adjusted for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.